The eccentric geocentrist. The 7 ceilings, geometric patterns of cosmic harmony. 1. Earth, the foundation ceiling. First ceiling. Role. Earth is the foundational layer in the cosmic structure. It is the flat plane at the center of the entire system, surrounded by a massive toroidal energy field that pulses and organizes everything in the cosmos. Geometric pattern, hexagonal grid. Earth's foundation is a stable flat plane that emanates a hexagonal grid structure. This grid represents the balanced flow of energy from the toroidal field. The hexagons create a perfect symmetry across the Earth, ensuring stability in the flow of energy and aligning the system with natural laws. Energy flow. The energy from the core of the Earth is emitted as a continuous, smooth, balanced energy, which is vital for the entire cosmic system's functioning. This energy pulses outward, interacting with the other layers above and below, forming the base layer for all energy fields. 2. Moon-Sun, the plasma layer. Second ceiling. Role. The Moon and the Sun form the second layer above the Earth, and their relationship is central to the flow of energy. They are plasma bodies created by the interaction of the toroidal field, and their movement dictates many cycles, such as the day-night cycle and the Moon's phases. Geometric pattern, radial lines and spirals. The Moon creates spirals as it reflects and amplifies energy. These spirals trace its phases, constantly shifting from waxing to waning, and shaping the daylight and nighttime plasma effects. The Sun forms radial lines, emanating energy that radiates outward to the planets, especially Earth. These patterns create cycles of energy that affect both spiritual and physical realms. Energy flow. The Moon acts as a reflective surface, modifying and shifting the energy that the Sun radiates. The Sun's energy is intense, flowing outwards through these radial lines, while the Moon modulates this energy in a cyclical pattern, determining the light phases and energy reflections. 3. Mercury-Venus, the reflective layer. Third ceiling. Role. Mercury and Venus function as a reflection of higher cosmic energy. They create harmonic and symmetrical energy flows that influence the spiritual and physical realms. Geometric pattern, mirrored symmetry and sine waves. Mercury and Venus act like cosmic mirrors. They generate geometric mirrored patterns, reflecting cosmic energy back into the system. Additionally, their interaction with other layers creates sine wave patterns, which represent the flow of energy that oscillates in harmony with the natural laws of the cosmos. Energy flow. These planets serve as reflectors that influence the harmonics of the cosmic energy system. Their patterns help balance the frequencies emitted by higher and lower layers, ensuring that energy remains coherent across the system. 4. Mars, the transformative energy. Fourth ceiling. Role. Mars is the warrior planet, embodying conflict, heat, and transformation. It creates patterns of intensity and flux, both in spiritual and physical realms. Geometric pattern, angular paths and chaotic spirals. Mars produces angular paths, representing the sharp changes in energy and transformation. These chaotic spirals represent the intense bursts of energy and conflict, as Mars triggers shifts in cosmic balance. It acts as a force of dynamic change that breaks apart old structures to make way for new ones. Energy flow. Mars channels energetic tension that creates sudden disruptions in the system, resulting in shifts that influence the lower and higher realms. These disruptive forces help facilitate transformation, aligning with the cosmic law of continual evolution. 5. Jupiter, the amplification force. Fifth ceiling. Role. Jupiter amplifies the energy from the lower ceilings, increasing the flow and intensity of cosmic energy. It acts as a cosmic amplifier, magnifying the influence of the other planets and their energy signatures. Geometric pattern, concentric circles and expanding rings. Jupiter forms concentric circles that spread outward, representing the expansion of energy. These expanding rings symbolize the amplification of cosmic power, spreading the influence of lower layers across the cosmos. Energy flow. Jupiter's role is to amplify the energy that flows from the lower planets. As energy flows through the toroidal fields, Jupiter acts as the magnifier, ensuring that the energy gets spread across the universe and expands outward in increasing intensity. 6. Saturn, the stabilizing boundary. Sixth ceiling. Role. Saturn serves as a boundary, providing structure and stability in the higher realms. It acts as a filter that ensures cosmic energy flows in a controlled and organized manner. Geometric pattern, hexagons and interlocking grid structures. Saturn generates hexagonal patterns, like a cosmic lattice or grid, which interlocks with the other geometric patterns of the lower realms. These hexagons are a stabilizing structure that ensures that the cosmic energy remains organized and doesn't become chaotic. Energy flow. Saturn is a stabilizing force that ensures all the higher realms remain in balance. It prevents the energy from becoming overwhelming, filtering, and organizing the cosmic flow to keep everything in order. 7. Uranus, the outermost cosmic blueprint's seventh ceiling. Role. Uranus represents the outermost boundary and the highest cosmic force, the final layer of energy in the seventh ceiling structure. It is the cosmic blueprint where all energy converges and aligns. Geometric pattern, interlocking vortexes and perfect spirals. Uranus generates complex interlocking vortexes, representing the highest form of energy flow. These vortexes connect all lower layers, creating a final harmonic resonance. Its energy is in a constant, ever-expanding spiral, signifying eternal expansion and the completion of the cosmic energy cycle. Energy flow. Uranus holds the final energetic imprint of the universe, ensuring the entire cosmic system works in perfect unison. It aligns and harmonizes the energy of all the lower layers, creating a unified system where all energies converge into a singular perfect flow. The unified geometric structure of the cosmos. The seven ceilings form a nested toroidal system, with each ceiling amplifying the energy of the layers below it. Each planetary body within these ceilings generates its own unique geometric pattern, which affects not only the physical motions of celestial bodies but also the spiritual and energetic flows that govern the universe. Symmetry. Each layer, from Earth up to Uranus, creates symmetrical geometric patterns that resonate with and amplify the cosmic flow. Energy harmonization. The toroidal fields are connected, ensuring that energy flows through the system in a cohesive and balanced way. The geometric patterns created by the planets act as guides for this energy flow. Cosmic harmony. The patterns formed by these planets are part of a cosmic symphony, where each planet's energy interacts with the others to create a harmonious, unified structure. TheEccentricGeocentrist.com